Hey everyone! Welcome to your go-to place for all things diet, nutrition, and living your best self. I know mornings can be hectic, and finding time for a healthy breakfast can feel impossible. But today we've got you covered with 5 super nutrient-dense smoothies that will fuel your day in minutes. These smoothies are perfect for busy mornings, so you can sip on something delicious, nutritious, and energizing without slowing down. Ready to jumpstart your day? Let's blend it up. Alright, let's get started with our first smoothie, a green Powerhouse smoothie. This one is packed with greens, healthy fats, and natural energy boosters. Perfect for anyone who needs a little extra power in the morning. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of spinach or kale, rich in iron and fiber. Half an avocado for healthy fats that provide sustained energy. Half a banana for natural sweetness and potassium. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, packed with omega-3s. 1 cup of almond milk, or your choice of plant milk. And optionally, 1 scoop of protein powder for an extra protein boost. Look at this vibrant green goodness. Blend it all together and boom! A smoothie packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized until lunchtime. That's delicious. And the best part? It'll keep you full for hours and leave you feeling unstoppable. Next up, we've got the Berry Bliss smoothie. If you're looking for a sweet and refreshing treat that's loaded with antioxidants, this one's for you. Let's get blending. Here's what you'll need. Half a cup of mixed berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries for antioxidants. Half a banana for natural sweetness. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, great for digestion and omega-3s. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, which is protein-packed and creamy. And 1 cup of coconut water, hydrating and refreshing. Look at those vibrant colors. The berries are full of antioxidants, and the Greek yogurt gives you that creamy texture with a protein punch. This smoothie is perfect if you need a sweet start to your day but don't want to load up on sugar. So refreshing. This one will definitely brighten up your morning. Alright, let's switch things up with a tropical protein smoothie. This one's a perfect balance of protein and tropical flavors, and it's packed with nutrients to fuel your body post-workout or during your busy morning rush. Here's the recipe. Half a cup of pineapple, rich in vitamin C and enzymes. Half a cup of mango, loaded with vitamins A and C. Half a banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, your favorite kind. And half a cup of unsweetened coconut milk. Wow, that's like a beach day in a bottle. The protein helps build muscle, and the tropical flavors are so uplifting. Perfect for those mornings when you need a little sunshine. Next up is the chocolate peanut butter power smoothie. If you're a fan of chocolate and peanut butter, who isn't? This smoothie will be your new go-to. Plus, it's full of healthy fats and protein. Look at that smooth texture. The chocolate and peanut butter combo is so rich, and this smoothie will give you an energy boost without the sugar crash. It's like dessert for breakfast, but actually good for you. I could drink this every day. It tastes like a treat, but it's packed with nutrients that keep you feeling full and satisfied. To make this smoothie, blend together 1 tablespoon of peanut butter for healthy fats and protein, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder rich in antioxidants, half a banana for creaminess and natural sweetness, 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of choice, and a scoop of chocolate protein powder or any flavor you prefer. Enjoy! And last but definitely not least, the citrus ginger detox smoothie. If you're feeling a little sluggish or need a quick detox, this smoothie is going to help cleanse and refresh your system. This citrus ginger combo is so refreshing and revitalizing, a great way to kickstart your metabolism and keep your digestive system happy. This one is so zesty and invigorating. It'll make you feel refreshed and ready to take on anything. To make this smoothie, you'll need 1 orange, rich in vitamin C, half lemon for detoxifying properties, a small piece of ginger, great for digestion and immune support, a tablespoon of honey for natural sweetness and soothing properties, and a cup of water. Blend until smooth and enjoy. So there you have it. 5 nutrient-dense smoothies that are perfect for busy mornings. Whether you're looking for protein, antioxidants, or a little energy boost, these smoothies have got you covered. The best part? You can whip them up in minutes, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time crushing your day. If you found these smoothies helpful and delicious, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who need a quick and healthy breakfast option. And if you haven't already, Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest videos. The host is all about helping you live your healthiest, happiest life, one smoothie at a time. Let me know in the comments which smoothie you're going to try first, or if you have any smoothie recipes of your own. The host loves hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy. To recap, the last 3 smoothies were a green smoothie with spinach and avocado, a berry smoothie with chia seeds, and a tropical smoothie with mango and coconut. Enjoy!